Golf Mike Hotel, request taxi.
Mike Hotel, Haven information, taxi to hold Alpha 5, runway 34 left hand, QFE 1007.
Golf Mike Hotel, hold Alpha 5, runway 34 left hand, QFE 1007.
You got me feeling more than I know.
Golf Mike Hotel, holding point Alpha 5, ready for departure.
Mike Hotel, runway 34, takeoff at your discretion, wind 300 degrees less than 5.
Taking off, Golf Mike Hotel.
Got me feeling something extra. You got me feeling more than I know. Like it was the first time.
Call the ITC.
Golf Mike Hotel, downwind to land.
Golf Mike Hotel, roger, report final.
Wilco, Golf Mike Hotel.
Now, just at 1,000 foot, so I took a little bit of the power off to bleed the altitude. Just gone past the threshold of the runway. It's now coming into my ice-cock position. Just going to turn onto the spice leg now.
Golf Mike Hotel, final to land.
Golf Mike Hotel, runway 34, landing at your discretion, wind 260 degrees less than 5.
Landing, Golf Mike Hotel.
Got me feeling something extra. If you want me to, can do it all night like it.
Mike Hotel, vacate next left down, runway 22.
Located 22, Golf Mike Hotel.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.